How to pay cash on delivery on Shopee. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay cash during your delivery on Shopee. So for that, all you have to do is just make sure that you have purchased some item. I don't have any item purchased from Shopee as of now, but still I'm gonna tell you the entire process. So when you select any product and put it in your cart, just the way I have done. So for example, I want to purchase this particular bag right here. In the cart section, when you start continue with your purchase while clicking on this continue tab, on the next page you will see the option for making your payment through different mode. So there you will see the option to use your credit card, your PayPal account, Afterpay, and other options as well. And along with that, you will also see the option to pay during cash or cash on delivery. So you can select cash on delivery from there, and that is how you will be able to pay cash on delivery on Shopee. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.